Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
Start by capturing the TikTok audio using screen recording on your iPhone. Open the TikTok and enable screen record from Control Center, then record the short clip. Stop recording when the desired portion finishes and open photos to trim precisely. Trim to the exact start and end points you want, then tap Share. Choose Save to Files and pick a folder you will remember. Confirm the video file appears in the Files app before proceeding to GarageBand. Launch GarageBand and create a new audio recorder or song project for a custom ringtone. Open the Loop browser, select Files, and import the saved video file from Files into a new track. Tap the track and use Split and Trim to isolate the exact segment you want. Aim for a maximum duration of 30 seconds to meet iPhone ringtone limits. Use the track controls to adjust volume, apply EQ, and add a short fade for a polished ringtone finish. When you are satisfied, tap the My Songs folder to save your GarageBand project. Press and hold the project thumbnail, then choose Share and select Ringtone from the Share menu. Enter a concise name for the ringtone when prompted, and confirm export to create the M4R ringtone file. After export, GarageBand will offer to use the sound as your standard ringtone or assign it to a contact. Open Settings, go to Sounds and Haptics, and select your new ringtone to activate it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.